Guys, it's your boy Costly Bastard. Today I will be showing you how to make your own Nova helmet for Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, Spider-Man, and Avengers. Let's make us some Nova helmet. To make your own Nova helmet, first I printed out and made templates for my original and older masks I've made to make Nova's helmet. So I threw these and I traced them on a cardboard. Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I started with the tracing part, so I pasted and put it. The templates will be uploaded, and just give it some time and the templates will be uploaded. Okay, so I cut all these out, and let's see. Okay, so I got the eyelids done so far, and I'm going to finish cutting out the rest of the piece, and you will see in a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, I finished cutting them out. Now, it's time to glue them together. Okay, to glue these together, I used 69-cent 3M tape as I made all my other masks. So, let's get started. Okay, so I finished putting the helmet together. It actually looks pretty cool to me because it basically looks like this. So because I was using the same templates that I always use for my last 3 projects I've been making, because it's really easy for me to make a helmet. So now you're going to see me cut this part down, leave the nose part. I'm going to cut down the Nova Corp style, and I'm going to put the star. This is going to be part 1 video. So let's get shaken to the ears. Okay, so I traced out what I needed to cut for the Nova helmet. Let's get cutting. Okay, where's my scissors? Oh shit, where's my scissors at? What the hell? Fuck. I'll find it later. Okay, so I finished cutting out the Nova part. Let's see it on my head first before I start cutting it up. I'm gonna put this on and let's see how it looks like. It's actually not bad. If I could just angle this a bit more up and put the nose a bit down, like that, then yeah, it looks like a Nova Corp helmet. Looks good so far. Okay, so I traced out how I need to make the star for the Nova helmet. Yeah, so I'm gonna see what I could do to make the star pop out a bit. So I'm gonna need, it's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be within a second. Okay, so I figured out how to do the first part of the star, but this is gonna be a bit hard. That I have to get 2 more angle pieces like this. So yeah, this will take some time, but in a flash. Okay, so I actually got the part I needed for the head parts. So it goes like that, and right into the cube. So yeah. This is how it looks like so far. This is the end of part 1. Part 2 will be in a snap. And so you go. Here, I finished the Nova Corp's helmet. Part 1. See you guys on the next time. First, let me put this on to see how it looks like. And then we'll go rocking for part 2. Here's a Nova Corp's helmet. Part 1. Let's see how it looks like. Because I did not know how this looks like yet. That actually looks pretty good so far. If I could just adjust the eye so it could look better, it'll look better. Nova Corp's part 1. Let's get this bread.